Hello all, FA Diaries is here. Today I am sharing two recipes and they are basically chicken recipes. First one is chicken gravy and the second one is roasted chicken in a spicy version. Firstly, showing the chicken gravy recipe, I have taken here a pressure cooker. You can use any thick bottom vessels. Adding 3 tablespoons of coconut oil to it. Before oil gets hot, we have added mustard seeds. Let's wait for spluttering it completely. Then adding shallots and onions to the oil. The shallots are crushed and the onions are sliced. Then sauteing till the shallots and onions get really soft. The chicken we have used here is the Leghorn chicken and it gives a different taste than the broiler chicken. After the onions get soft, adding crushed ginger and garlic, then one chopped green chilli also. And again sauteing till the raw smell goes off the ginger and garlic. After that added 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and lastly adding 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. And giving a good mix for all the masala powders get combined. And I have added little more coconut oil when the gravy looks dry. When the onions get well blended with the masalas, adding one sliced tomato and giving a good mix. Adding enough salt at this time, and this is the right time to add salt. Chicken pieces should be well combined with the masalas and then only you will get the good taste. I have checked the salt in between and when it feels less, added enough salt to it. And closing the lid of the pressure cooker. This Leghorn chicken needs more cooking time than the broiler chicken, so keeping in pressure cooker. After one whistle, keeping the flame low for some time and after that turn it off. Chicken is well cooked by now and there is some water content that came from the chicken. If you want a thick gravy, keep the flame high and boil for some time to get a thick gravy. Gravy is thicker by now, and offing the flame, our chicken gravy is ready. Serving to a bowl, this recipe has a best combination with chapatis, ghee rice, and even with the plain rice also. Next, showing the recipe broasted chicken in a spicy version. This was actually trial by my sister, which is came out well. This is the first step of marination for broasted chicken, and we have added 2 tablespoons of pepper powder, lemon juice of 1 large lemon, and enough salt to it. Applied it all over the chicken and let it press for 1 hour or at least half an hour. This is for the second marination or coating of the chicken. Added half cup of maida flour, 2 teaspoons of rice powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and mix it well. Forgotten to add salt and adding that too. Then again mix well till all the powders get combined each other. Then making an egg mixture by adding salt and pepper. This is again for the coating of chicken. Coating all the chicken pieces firstly in the powder mix, then in the egg mixture, again in the powder mix. All the chicken pieces are ready for frying by now, and either shallow frying or deep frying, up to your choice. We are deep frying here, and I think deep frying is adding more taste. Turn the other side just a minute later. Cook the chicken till both sides are turned to a dark brown color. The delicious broasted chicken is ready. This is having something special taste with little spiciness. So do try it in your home. You will definitely love it, and let me know your feedbacks through comments. Then friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do consider that and press the bell icon for future updates. If you like this video, please like and share also.